Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Okay, finally, now I think it's here. Yes, can you hear me? Can you see me? Can you see the chart? Is it working? Is it working? Is it good? Yes, all fine. All right. Come for the trading, but stay for the fun. Happy trading, everyone. My name is Future Orbits, and welcome to some live session with me today. Yesterday, we caught a little bit of a buy from that beautiful rejection from the lows. We were looking for this missing bottom wick here, and then we got swept here. Boom. We got the order block. We retested the order block, and that boom went flying up here, hit TB1. Almost TB2, and we ran 100, 200, maybe 300 pips. Let's see, we entered at, yeah, I think it was 26, so that's, yeah, 210 plus pips. And if you kept it open until 49, it's 290 pips, so almost 300 pips. Really beautiful. Then we came down again and hit that BE, so you guys should be out of that trade. Then we have been consolidating for all of London session, and now here doing the New York session, we are finally seeing some action here. We're already in the buy from the VIP session, but here with the Twitch stream, let's see if we can get a retest in here and then up to sweep that high there, possibly continue or get a rejection, come down, use that as a resistance to come down to the Asia low. So that's what I'm looking for today, guys. I'm looking to see if we can sweep this high here, or we can retest and continue up. So that's what I'm looking for. Hey Golden Dog, hey Halson, hey Chart, hey Rule, how's it going? I hope you guys are ready for some trades. I'm still in the buy. Really? You're still in the buy, bro? All right. I don't know if we're gonna break the high, bro. So hopefully you will take some partial if we come up to the high. But at least we should see, you know, 54, 56, right? That's my minimum. And then the next high would be here at 69, right? I don't know if we're gonna break 4,400, but sorry, 4,400, 4,500, but at least we should come up to the high and retest that. I missed that VIP. I was on my way home. So you missed both the live session and the signal. Oh, Rule. That's tough. That's tough. All right, let's see. Let's see here, guys. The first top wick I would like to invalidate here is the 47 here, 47, 48. If we can come up and create a top wick here, then we know that there is some bullish momentum happening here. So let's see here if we can manage to do so. Also, the sell zone now is all the way up to 38. So a retest in here will invalidate that, and then we can come up for higher buys. Hello, I missed you. Hey, Alchem, how's it going, man? You missed the trade yesterday or what? I was also here yesterday, bro. Remember, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, live. Right? I hope today better than yesterday. What? Yesterday was amazing, Max. We took a buy. We took a buy here, bro. Right there. We went in here at 26. Boom. We had stop loss below here. At what was it? It was, I think it was 16. Came down, swept this. We entered here. And price went all the way up here to 46. And if you kept it, 49. So you got almost 200, almost 300 pips. So I don't know what you mean with yesterday. I know, but had to pick up my wife from job. Ah, okay, fair enough. So Max, it was amazing yesterday. I don't know what you're talking about. Let's see if we can continue the success. So I'm waiting, guys, for a bullish closure and then a retest for the buy, or I'm waiting for a breakout and then a sweep for the sell. Let's see what's gonna happen. FOMC today, yep. FOMC today. Yeah, did you join yesterday? Did you take the trade yesterday with me? From here, from 26 up to 49, 46? Let's see. We can close bullish here and create a fair value gap so we can retest it and continue up. Also the previous fair value gap that was used to go up. So there's two fair value gaps here the price can retest. We already got a really good sweep here, so I don't know why we should come down to 24 again. Maybe we can retest 30, 31. 33 already got a really good bottom wick, so I don't think we're gonna come down there. The only drawdown we can have, I think, will be 30. That's the only one. If price wants to make a steeper bottom wick, let's say 28 or something like that. But let's see what buy zone is at now. Yeah, buy zone is at 24 now, so it will come up there once the fair value gap is done. Yes, but I had to get out earlier. All right, that's okay. That's okay, man. As long as you got profit, that's the most important thing. Okay, guys, so now the fair value gap has been made into this instead. So this is our fair value gap now. Okay, cool. And also change this one here a little bit. Put this right in place. So this is what I'm looking for, guys. Full disclosure, retest, continuation. Okay. Let's see what happens. In 4 minutes, we have the first hourly closure that will also make you a bullish fair value gap. So interesting. See if we can retest those highs. How you all doing today, guys? Where are we tuning in from? Ready for some FOMC tonight? Gonna be interesting to see Kevin Wash taking over for Jerome Powell. from ST Lucia. Sound Lucia. Oh. Sound Lucia. Let's see here. Come on. Come on, gold. Give us a bullish closure so we can take the buy. If we can manage to do so. 30-minute. Yeah, everything looks quite nice. And close bullish above this high here, it will be even better. I guess I can delete this one for now. Doesn't matter. Let's see. You can also delete this one. Not so important anymore. This one we can delete for now as well. Is he gonna say buy the rumor, sell the news, or the other way around? No idea, Johnny. I'm in buys from 4,042 to 4,062. If you are in the VIP, you will also be in that buy. So I have no worries. If I hit BE on this trade here, I have my runner from the buy from 4,042 to 4,062. If we come a little bit down, we can add more buys. If we continue up, I will be in more profit. So I have no worries. Warsaw, Poland. Ooh. I have a friend who's from Poland as well. You know any good Polish words that I need to know about? Welcome to the stream, guys. Let's get some hype in the chat.
Let's go!
Here. We're almost about to close here, guys. 1 minute. Can we get a bullish closure above the hourly high here? Are we going to retest and come back down here? If we fill the entire fair value gap here, then there's no fair value gap for me to buy, guys. Then it should be a buy stop above. Okay, we didn't manage to close bullish above this high, which means we're going to have a little bit of a steeper bottom wick here. Filling the fair value gap here. I want to see here how far down we're going to go. If we're coming down to the midpoint here, we're going to reject the sell zone. This is the sell zone here. So if we come down below the sell zone, then that will open up for sells. But so far it looks like we're rejecting here. Yeah, so we closed there and we just managed to close there. So guys, I will have a sell stop. Sorry, I will have a buy stop at 41. Buy stop at 41. Okay. Xauusd buy stop at 4,341. Stop loss will be 4,325. TB1 is going to be 4,356. TB2 is going to be 4,370. Okay. So let's see if we can come up and activate this buy stop. Or if we're going to come down steeper here. We already filled the entire fair value gap. So let's see how far down it's going to go. We already got what we wanted. We got a bullish closure. We got a retest. And now let's see here if we're going to get a flip here or if we're going to continue down. If you continue down, we can get a better buy. But let's see. Buy stop 41, guys. Be ready. Get ready. If you come to Poland, you should know ni mam drobnysz and shiskish jednor pivoch. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly or any like just 1% correctly. It means I don't have cash, sorry. One more beer. Ah. Jishish. Jish. Jishe. Jednor pivoch. Nie. Mam drobnysz. Drobnysz. I guess. It did activate? No, it did not. It came up to 40.7. But we're not in it yet. 40.69 actually. I'm not in it, bro. If you have a spread of 4.4, then you need to switch broker. Not even close. Good. Let's see here. Price came down to 35. Okay, so if price comes down to 30, I think I will get my buy here instead. Let's see. For now, I keep the buy stop up here. Here. $30 right there. Okay, guys, about to get activated here. Let's see. Can we get up there? Nice bottom wick there. If we flip here now, I would say we are in. I think this bottom wick is really, really good. Tap 35, so maybe we are leaving 30 now. Okay, here we go. I think we're gonna get in now. And activate it, guys. I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade. Let's see. Stop loss is below at 25. All right, let's see. Let's get it. Let's get it. I would have loved a better entry, but it is what it is. We already got a bottom wick. Looks nice. Looks good. And our next stop is the 70 right there. Okay, let's see, guys. Let's see, let's see, let's see. It's 160 pips for the stop loss, and it's 150 pips for the TP. The reason why it's 150 pips for the TP is because I cannot put it higher than 56. Just because if we come up and sweep this and then we reject, then we might come down again. So I'm not keeping it 57 or 58 because it's a little bit risky. We have a missing top wick here. So once price comes up to 56 and sweeps this, maybe 56.5, it could come all the way down again, right? So I keep it 56. I would like to do 55, but that will be, you know, that will not be a one-to-one. Then it will be like a little bit too low, right? Now it's like 10 pips short. So we can still do it. Let's see. Okay, guys, we are running 20 pips in profit. Let's go. Let's go. What do you think will happen later at FOMC? First FOMC of the new guy. Oh, first FOMC. Wow. You are about to experience and see a very, very volatile entrance. You are about to witness this beautiful, beautiful market go crazy, go humongous, bananas, mongabos. Basically, Kevin Walsh, he's going to take over for Jerome Powell. Jerome Powell has been our Fed chair for many, many years, and he just stopped last year. And now the new person in charge is going to be Kevin Walsh. He's going to go on today having his first FOMC meeting where he's the Fed chair, and he's going to announce to us whether we're going to see rate cuts later this year or we're going to expect rate hikes. If he says we're going to have rate cuts later this year, you would see gold maybe come a little bit down, retest some lows, and then boom, fly up like there's no tomorrow. If he says rate hikes and that there is no end to the war and everything, what you will see is that gold will continue go down, and it will break the lows of 4,000, maybe even go lower, 3,900, 3,800, 3,700, 3,600. It all depends on the outcome of tonight and Friday. So it's a very, very interesting moment, very, very interesting moment, and I'm in for it. I'm in for it. So I will be live tonight at doing the FOMC. So if you guys want to experience that and be part of that, join VIP now. We have VIP for $149 for 1 month. And sometimes we do have new week, new deal. We don't have it right now. So right now it's $149 for 1 month. And then after that, you can see, do you want to continue? It is a subscription. So obviously, if you join VIP for 1 month, you have to tell us that you don't want to continue, right? Yeah, you can try it for 1 month, see what I'm all about, and see if you like the signals. I don't personally do small trades. Sometimes we have like a lunch break, or we have like a before pre-New York session where we can get 50, 60 pips, right? But usually I do 100 pips plus, and usually I get 1,000 pips plus. So you can see here, let me just show you. In the VIP right now, we took a buy from 4,042 to 4,062, and as you can see, we are up here at 300, so we are more than 2,500 pips in profit. I'll just show you right away. So it's not just something that I'm saying here, but actually people are in it with me. So let me just show you right away. Here we are running here. Let me show you here. Boom. Here, 2,500 plus pips from 4,062 to 4,042. We had stop loss at 4,012, and TB1 is 4,428. We're not there yet, but we have taken partial after 2,500 pips. So that would have been good money and would have paid you back on your VIP if you joined. So that's totally fine. But yeah, if you would like to be a part of that, that's going to be in VIP tonight doing the FOMC. We're gonna go live, and we are live every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday in the VIP. We're also live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday on Twitch. But on Twitch, we take the smaller trades, the day trading, try to catch the small moves, where on VIP, we're trying to catch the big moves, right? So let's see here how it goes. If you're not interested in VIP, then you can also join for free copy trading. Copy trading is me trading for you. So basically, you're giving me not access to your account, but you're giving me access to connect your account to mine, so that every time I take a trade, you also take a trade. So if I take a win, you take a win. If I take a loss, you take a loss as well, right? So we're trading together, but I'm trading for you, and I'm taking care of all the stop loss, TBs, everything like that. You don't do any work. So yeah, if you're interested in that, reach out to my team. Other than that, enjoy the show, guys. We are here live on Twitch every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So let's see here. See if we can reach our first TP at 56. There. Oh. First, we need to get out of this situation here. Right now, price grabbed liquidity here, came up, create some support, and then went through. Now it's creating some support again, and then hopefully we're going to see it go through again. we're gonna see it grab this missing top wick, and then go up here, grab this missing top wick, and then get a sweep above this highs. But let's see. We are moving 20 pips so far. Let's go, bits. Let's go, Babsy. See, notice I don't call you a baby anymore. Koba, you on the trade? Akim, you on the trade? Rule? Tabor? Kevin? Do you know Lebanon? I've never been to Lebanon, bro, but I have heard about Lebanon. Yes, of course. Trump is currently speaking. They might talk about the war again. He can suck my fab one. Win trades. Yeah, you got my name right. Yeah, let's go. Hey, Reno. Yes, sir. Yes, I'm in the trade. Let's go. Okay. Let's see, guys. So, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. If we can manage to close bullish above this high here, well, that's a good start, ain't it? So far, we're not doing it. So far, price is going back and forward, up and down, everything. Let's see. Just wait 2 more minutes, guys. We are 0.50 50 pips in drawdown. Yes, I'm in at 41.04. Nice. Let's go, guys. Break this high. Almost there. 1 minute, guys. We can close above this high. Yeah. Looking good. We gotta close above it. Gotta close above it. There we go. Closure above it. Now let's see the next retest. Sorry about that. I'm back again. Okay, so we're not moving much. We're not moving much. We are trying to create the bounce here. We're trying to create that bounce there. Yo, ball guy. Let's see.
I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay, yeah. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay, yeah.
Hey, hey. I hope you're doing well, guys. Thank you for the raid again. It seems like we always online at the same time. Here we go again. A Tom Crack, A Gordo, A D-Man, A GBT. I always see you, GBT. Always see you. And always see you, Tom. Always see you guys. Very nice, very nice. So yesterday when you raided me as well, we were here, bro. We were here. So we took a trade here. We waited for the sweep here. Then we came up. We created this order block. Then we created support. I took a trade, put a stop loss here below. And then we took it all the way up here to 46 and 49. If people kept it, they took it to 49. If they didn't, and they put like BE here or something, they went out here, right? But 40, 46, 49, that's pretty good. That was 200 pips. Now again, we're trying today again. We created this sweep here from 24. I got my Trinity here with the wick fill liquidity. After creating this order block, we came down, retested it. So after that happened, we had this bounce of a support. I went live around here. So after we swept here again, I went in here. So currently we are running 20 pips in profit and coming up to 30 pips here. Let's see here, guys, if we can do it. We are targeting the highs of here because we have a missing top wick here. We have the order block here also, and we have this top here at 54. So we can come up, sweep all these highs here back from the Tuesday at the London session here. That would be great, and maybe we can target 70. Okay, so guys, we're currently running 40 pips here. Let's do it. All right, let's see if we can hit 47 and close bullish above it. That would be lovely. Okay, here we go. Yeah. All right. Okay. Let me just update VIP. Go. Boom.
Get shit on, brother.
Boom. 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 There we go. Okay, I updated VIP. And here we go, guys. We are running 90 plus pips. Hey, there we go. Go risk-free here, guys. 100 plus pips here. Let's go. Take some partial and be ready for TP1. And do we get it? Do we get it? TP1, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, do it. Do it. Yeah! Let's go, baby. Let's go! Tom, DBT, you saw it live here, man. You saw it live. Thank you again, Marco, for the thank you again for the raid, bro. You came in the perfect time, bro. We just smashed TP1 right there. Let's go. Guys, if you were in at 36, please move your stop loss above 37. If you are in at 40, please move your stop loss about 40. If you are in at 41, please move your stop loss to 42. Right there. And we are done. Partial taken. Boom. Right there. TP1 hit. Boom. That is 150 plus pips. Bam. And we are totally risk-free. Risk-free. Stop loss at BE 42. Boom. I mean, you couldn't have rated at a better time, bro. You couldn't have rated at a better time. Holy frick. We're leaving. Let's go. Wow. Happy Obits is the best. We'll go higher. 67 maybe. 67, 67. Next TB is going to be 70. And the next TB after that is going to be 4,428. Okay. So that's what we're looking at right now. Guys, I'm so sorry if you joined later than this entry here. We barely even made it to make a second trade here. I don't think you can get in another trade. I will try my best to get you in, but for this to happen, we need to have a bullish closure above, and we need to reject to come back down into the fair value gap. But right now we are flying more than 150 plus pips. So in order for me to get you in, basically, I would have to see price close bullish here, leave a fair value gap, retest that fair value gap, and create support for then going higher. Or I would have to see 70, which is my TP2, sorry, my TP2 getting swept here, and then reject to then come down. But if we close bullish above here and we leave from there, I can't get you in, right? So I'm trying my best to get you in for a second trade, but yeah, first trade just back in the wallet there. Love to see it, Johnny. You love it. Let's go. Let me just update VIP. Go. Okay. This one. There we go. And then TB1. There we go. All right. TP1 hit. Done. Pip City, baby. Yeah. Wow. So GBT and McCoy and Tomar, they just raided here, and then we were just flying. Vince, welcome to you. Thank you for the follow. Tubor, thank you for the follow. Luigi, thank you for the follow. Dear Marix, thank you for the follow here. Nice to see you. It's so big. Oh my god. It's so big.
Order filled.
Chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed
Okay, guys. So let's see here how this bullish candle is gonna close. Are we gonna close above this high, or are we gonna go straight up to this high here and close above that one as well? Play that shit. Let's go. Let's go. So 15-minute closed bullish above this high, guys. More than 60 pips above this high, which means that if we get a bullish fair value gap here, then if we retest it, I might be able to get you guys in. But we have to see how price is going to reject from this high here. Are we going to see a rejection? Or are we going to see a straight up flying up here, right? That's the thing. If we close above here and we don't see any point of return, then it's going to be really, really difficult. But if we struggle here a little bit, come down, then create support, and then come up, then maybe I could get you in here, right? So that's the thing. But yeah, if you enjoyed this kind of trading, guys, and you want to watch more than this, you can join VIP if you want. VIP is $149 per month. You can just take 1 month if you only want that, to just check it out, see what I'm all about. You can see much more like this here that you see on Twitch, but with many more pips. Like you can see 1,000 pips, 2,000 pips plus, right? We bought from 4,042 to 4,062, and as you can see here, we are flying more than 2,500 pips here from that entry here. You can see here buy zone here 4,062 to 42. Stop loss was 4,012 and here Xauusd is running 2,500 pips, and now we are running even more, because if we break 4,400, well, then it's going to be much more. It's going to be more than 3,500 pips, right? So we're going to see where this is going to go. But yeah, if you want those kind of pips and you're tired of like trading every single day and always getting in the market and out of the market again, well, this is the way that I do it. I put layers. I trade a couple of trades per week, per month, and then I let them run. I get runners, right? Mostly what I do is I buy gold at the bottom, and then I take it up to the top, and then I sell gold at the top, and then I take it down. Nobody really knows where the top or the bottom actually is, but with high probability analysis, you can see when the steam is running out of the buys, or when the steam is running out of the sells, right? When there's no more sellers or when there's no more buyers, right? And from there you can not get the top, but you can get something close to the top or close to the bottom, right? So that's what we do here. And that's what I've always been doing. I'm not really interested in 100 plus pips. I'm not really interested in 60 pips or something like that. I'm more interested in 1,000 pips or 500 pips, right? Because then you can actually live from trading, and not only like buy ice cream or buy your lunch or something like that, right? So that's what I do. So if you're interested in that, let me know. And if you don't want to trade yourself and you just want me to trade for you, we also have copy trading. That is 100% free though. That's not like VIP custom $140. It's just you put $1,500 plus as a deposit for your own account, and then everything will be copied to your account from my account, right? So if I take a trade and we win that trade, you also win. If I take a trade and we lose, you also lose that trade. I do all the TP, stop loss, everything. You just let me know, okay? Came out at TB1. Yeah, that's your mistake, Sig. I put TB2. I also put a TB3 now. I know I didn't put TB3 before now, but I put TB2 there. You always take partial. Never, ever take a TP. Guys, I have 3 rules, okay? I never close a trade. I always trail my stop loss. Number 2, I never take a TP. I always move my TP when it gets closer, or I take partial at those TP. So I use it as guidelines, not as the end goal, right? And then my number 3 is that I'm only risking what I can afford to lose, but I look for big trades. I take small lots, and for small trades, I take big lots, right? Because a small trade, you can get out fast, and then you're not risking too much. But if you take a big trade, then you have to take lower lot size, right? So that's it. Reno, you cannot re-enter at 60. No, bro. You cannot re-enter at 60, bro. Came out of TB1. How much is your VIP this week? There's no new week, new deal, Tabu, unfortunately. It's 149 for this month. So if you want 1 month, you can get it for 149. We don't have a new week, new deal at the moment. So yeah, reach out to my team if you're interested in hearing more about VIP or copy trading or bootcamp or whatever it is. Everything else is free, guys. Check it out. So yeah, running 150 plus pips. We got a 50-minute bullish closure here above the 60 level. So let's see, are we gonna sweep this 69 here, or are we gonna come back into this fair value gap and retest it to go higher, right? Could you please explain how you get TB3 to 4,428? Yes, of course. Go to the 4 hour, zoom out. And what do you see here, bro? Right there. You see that? That is the 4 hour fair value gap ending, right? So price could come all the way up here, and then it could come here and reject and go all the way down back again. You see that, monkey? So if you come up now, fill the entire 4 hour fair value gap, then you don't have to go higher. You don't have to come up and touch the order block here. You could just reject here when you fill the fair value gap and just come down. So I put TB3 here just to make sure that if price goes here and it doesn't go up here and continue up to the order block, that I still get some profit from this one. Does it make sense? Okay. So just middle of the wicks. How come not the bottom of the wicks? The bottom of the wicks already got retested here. You can see here. You retested here, you retested here, but you didn't manage to come up there. You rejected and rejected and rejected. So it shows that there's a lot of sellers. A lot of sellers coming in here, but it already rejected once, 2, 3 times. So I think if you come up now, we are not going to reject again. We're going to come all the way up. And then people are sitting here to sell. And then they start selling here. And then probably they're going to hit the stop losses all the way up. And we're going to fill up to the full 4 hour fair value gap. And then either we're going to reject here, we're going to come all the way up to the order block here first. And then we're going to reject and come down. So I'm not willing to take a sell here when I'm already in buys from down here, down here, down here, and now here as well, right? So I'm not really looking for sells, bro, unless we come up and we come up to this 4 hour fair value gap right here. And sorry, 4 hour order block here. And we come up, we create resistance, reject, come down below here, and then we use that. Then maybe what we can do is we can take a sell like this, up with stop loss above here, right? That's what we can do. The wicks at 4,424 and 4,427. Which one? You mean these? 23, 24, 26, 28. I mean, if you were supposed to take your TP based off some bottom wicks, I think you should. I mean, if you need the top wick or need the bottom wick on a certain candle, you can do that, but you don't need the wicks here. You already got a long, beautiful wick here, long, beautiful wick here, long, beautiful wick here. So the first resistance that I see if price doesn't reject from the fill of the fair value gap would be this order block right here between 34 and 39. I don't see anything in between these two levels here. For me, this is a no trading zone right here, between here. So either you take TP here or you sell here, or you sell from this order block or this order block or the next order block, right? I don't see anything from there. But I'm not looking for sales, bro. I'm not looking for sales. I'm only looking for buys. Price already came down to tap 4,000. As you can see here, price came down to 4,024. And let's go to the daily. So if you zoom out, you go here, you can see here that we are in a bullish channel that now turns into a bull flag. And as you can see here, if you put it from here to here, you're coming squeezing in here. And then what you see here is that you had a bear flag right there. You came up and then you broke it, came down. You had another bear flag right there. You came up, broke it, came down. And then you had another bear flag right there, came up, broke it, went down. And then we came down and retested. Where did we retest? Right where all this started. Right there, my friend. 4,017 to 4,024. This is when you came up and resistance now turned into support. You came up, broke the resistance, came down, used that resistance as a support, and then went up. So 1, 2, 3 resistance points here, now turned into support. So I don't personally think we're going to come down again before we come up to retest some of that 5,000 fair value gap up here, or some of that liquidity up here. So I think what's going to happen now is either we're going to have this, or we're going to have this. That's all I'm seeing, bro. So yeah, let's see. So price came up to 64 and now price came down to 50. So I might be able to get you in, guys, again. Let's see. So far we grabbed that missing top wick there. Now I want to see the missing top wick up here at the, where was it? Oh, 54 we got filled. Okay, so I got it. Okay, so a sweep above 69 would be nice, but if you don't get it and we start rejecting here, maybe we could get in for sales. Let's see. Yeah, we swept it. 54. We tapped into here. 4 hour there. Okay, coolio. Let's see how this 15 is gonna close, guys. Let's see how this 15 is gonna close. Leo. So price came all the way back to 48. Right there. So now it broke resistance, turned it into support. So what I would like to see is to see this becoming support. And that's going to be above our entry, which is nice. So let's see if we can get another trade here. This breakout here. Yeah. 46 to 41. Actually, pretty much going to be same entry, I think. I think it's going to be the same entry, to be honest. Around this level here. That would be retest. It has retraced 50% of this leg. Yes, it has. Definitely. I'm short at 64. Some gambling before Portugal game. All right. All right. Let me look at the CUT data if we got some news. Ah, okay, thanks. I'm always afraid my price never hits and just reverses a few pips before hitting target. Well, how you can avoid it is by, you know, trailing your stop loss. I've tried to reach out to your team, but no response, my friend. I mean, there's other people as well, Sorensen. So I think they will reply to you once they have time. I'm sorry if you feel like they are not replying fast enough, but remember, there are other people than you. 55 was high, yesterday's high. That's cool. And I got my bottom. Well, I got my top wick. So I'm actually ready to sell. If we reject here now, and we don't break the high, then I'm ready to sell, guys. So let's see. Because I would really like some better buys. But as I said to you, I'm already in buys from 4,062 to 4,042. So if I can get some other buys at 4,100 or 4,200, that'll be amazing.